Kaya nila nafe-feel na creepy ka bilang isang lalaki tuwing kasama ka nila. It's because incongruent. Hindi aligned yung thoughts at actions mo. That's why you're acting creepy, you're acting awkward. At mararamdaman yun ng babae kasi nga meron silang radar dun. Nararamdaman nila. Malakas yung pakiramdam nila sa congruence. That's why it's really important na congruent dapat yung thoughts sa actions mo. Okay? Sabi nga ni Dr. Robert Glover, women don't sleep with a man because they have gotten to know him. They get to know the man they want to fuck. Ibig sabihin, sa Tagalog, tatagalogin ko, hindi binebembang ng mga babae yung isang lalaki dahil nakilala nila to. Okay? Kinikilala nila yung lalaking gusto nilang bembangin. Ganun yun. So, that's why accepting, okay, bilang isang lalaki, you need to understand na kasalanan mo kung bakit ka napupunta sa friend zone dahil pumapayag ka na mag-settle sa ganung setup kahit na meron kang mas malaking desire. That's why accepting the boy best friend role is considered as self-sabotage. Okay, sinasabotahin mo yung sarili mo, sinisira mo yung mojo mo, sinisira mo yung ano mo, alam mo yung drive mo bilang isang lalaki, sinisira mo yung masculine energy mo, yung desire mo to conquer, yung desire mo sa mga challenges. Kasi nagsisettle ka for less.